Welcome back to 4K Tech. On this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery in your Dyson. Well, this is a Dyson 7. There's a 6 and 7. I'm pretty sure they're both the same. There are two screws you have to take out. One is right here, and the other one is right underneath, right here. You have to take the cap off that goes on here. But once you do that, there are two screws. And if you look, right there, I don't know if I could get you a good picture there. It's a Allen key. You don't necessarily need to use an Allen key. I just used a small flathead, and it came, and it worked perfect. So then that just pops off. Let me see if I could. So it pops off like that. Okay, and then the new one just pops in right there. And just put those screws back in. Works perfect. I hope this helped.